Hey, Dirk here with Velvet Antler Technologies. I've taken a look at a couple of my mounts, my bearskin and my whitetail buck here, and it's been a while since I've done anything with them, and I want to do a little preventative care with them. I know that sometimes people will check, and you'll see on your racks there'll be some holes around the bases there, or you'll see little bug casings or things like that, and you don't want that. Birds too, your turkeys, the ducks, you don't want to have that infestation. So this Velvet Clean not only cleans your mounts, but it also prevents infestations. And it's a proprietary blend of essential oils and some other things. And it's so easy to use. All it is really, you spray it on liberal mounts here like this, okay? You let it sit for about 5 minutes. Actually, you could take the fancy brush here and work it in a little bit into the hairs. Again, you don't want to go backwards, but you want to work it into the hairs. Let it sit. And obviously, I could do it all over the place. And then just as simple as wiping it away and letting it dry. And let's see. Ooh, yuck. Yeah, I think I need a little bit more here, but I'll show you on this bearskin as well. I'm going to scoot it over here, and this is one I got in Ontario a few years ago. But again, spray it in, and I'm going to show you something. This is in my man cave here, an office, and you want to spray it all over the place. Let it sit, and these oils will actually get in and help the hide as well. Do this. I did a test spot on it. I was pretty amazed. We'll let this sit. Hey, while we're letting that dry, I'm going to show you a few other products from Velvet Antler Technologies. First of it is the Velvet Lock. Great preservative for velvet mounts. And you spray it on, saturate it, and actually tip the rack up just like this. And when there's shed velvet on it, it'll drain out and help preserve that velvet for your fantastic trophy. There's also a hide lock, which is great because what that does is it preserves the hair and the hide so it doesn't decompose, as well as it doesn't have the hair falling out. So that's the hide lock. And then you have the Velvet Scrub here as well. And that, if you've got blood on your critters or on your gear, you can spray it on. It turns it into water-soluble product, and the blood washes away even on dried things. And then obviously we've got the Velvet Clean that we're using right now. So that's been long enough. I'm going to take the towel here, and I'm going to scrub this in a little bit. Take this brush here. Actually, what they do is they recommend that you use this to get it in to the fur down to the hide, and that'll help. Those oils will help condition the hide, as well as get down to the base of that. This hide is pretty dry. It's been up here for a while. This product is recommended to use about every 6 months as well. So let's just do a little test here so you can see what this hide looks like. So it's pretty easy. Obviously, I didn't do the whole hide, but I'm going to show you the results. Look at that nastiness. So if you're looking to take care of your mounts, keep them clean and preserve them, take a look at Velvet Clean by Velvet Antler Technologies.